In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly write client proposals using Grok AI. If you've ever stared at a blank page trying to craft a proposal, this walkthrough will save you time and help you deliver polished, professional results. We'll move from opening Grok AI to drafting, reviewing, and refining a client-ready proposal all in just a few minutes. Start by opening Grok AI. You can use the official Grok AI website in your browser, or access Grok through the X app on your device. Choose whichever is more convenient for you. The experience is similar. If you're using the website, make sure you're on the official page. If you're using X, ensure you're signed in so you can open Grok smoothly. Next, open the Grok AI chat. This is where you'll type your requests. You'll see a text box or composer. Think of it like a messaging window, where you can paste project details and give instructions. Quick note before we go further, you'll find the official website link, and if you prefer using the app, the download link right at the top of the description. Use those to get set up quickly and safely. Now provide your client and project details. Be clear and concise. Include who the client is, use general labels if needed, the project overview, key deliverables, timelines or milestones, goals and success metrics, and any constraints such as budget range or required tools. If you already have brand voice preferences or target audience notes, add those too. Avoid including sensitive data like personal emails, passwords, or private contact information. Summaries work best. Ask Grok to draft a proposal. You can say something like, write a client proposal for this project, or generate a professional proposal including scope, timeline, and pricing. Be explicit about tone, such as formal, friendly, or executive. If you want sections like assumptions, out-of-scope items, or next steps, mention that in your prompt so everything is captured in one pass. Review the generated proposal carefully. Confirm the scope reflects what you promised, timelines are realistic, and any pricing or value statements align with your strategy. Look for clarity, structure, and a logical flow from problem to solution to outcomes. If needed, refine it with follow-up prompts. Ask Grok to adjust the tone, shorten or expand sections, add a benefits summary, or emphasize differentiators. Iterate until it reads like something you'd confidently send. That's how you can quickly write client proposals using Grok AI. Check the top of the description for the official links. Thanks for watching.